Bukidnon is a landlocked province located in Northern Mindanao, Philippines. It is predominantly composed of rolling grassland plateau, deep canyons and valleys, alternating with the low plains create a refreshing vista and scenic view, a reason why it is dubbed as the Highland Paradise in the heart of Mindanao. Communal Ranch is one of the major tourist attractions in the province of Bukidnon. It is located in Barangay Bayong, in the municipality of Impasugong. It is a government-owned communal ranch, with a total area of 642 hectares. Due to its scenic and breathtaking view, the place is a favorite location for shooting movies, a reason why it is called Cinema Capital of Bukidnon. Horseback riding is the popular activity in the ranch. It is being managed by cowboys from Impasugong rodeo team. Located along Old Sare Highway, in Barangay Poblacion, municipality of Impasugong, is a viewing deck overlooking the scenic view of the mountains and a river. This place is popularly called Lover's Lane Viewing Deck. Another tourist destination in the municipality of Impasugong is the Sidarika Tourism Site. It stands for Center for Ecological Development and Recreation. It is a protected area, and at the same time a recreation and amusement park, with a total land area of approximately 1,703 hectares. A camping site, a swimming pool, and 3 waterfalls are among the points of interest in the area. predominantly inhabited by Hagaonans and other tribes. The municipality of Impasugong is dubbed as the tribal capital of Bukidnon. It is also known as the home of the country's finest cowboys. Located in the Plaza Rizal, in the city of Monastery, the provincial capital is Erección de Pueblo. It is a monument depicting the 1877 agreement between the Spanish colonizers and the tribal leaders for the creation of the town. One of the popular tourist attractions in the city of Monastery is the Monastery of the Transfiguration. The monastery is run by Benedictine monks and is famous for the iconic pyramid-shaped church designed by Leandro Luxon, national artist for architecture. Inside the compound is Abbey Cafe and Abbey Gift Shop, where monks blend, a coffee produced, grown and processed by the Benedictine monks, are sold. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.